4 ingredients. That's all it takes to make biscuits so good that they'll ruin all other biscuits for you forever. These copycat Bojangles biscuits are a must-try recipe. You are going to begin by working in shortening into some white lily self-rising flour. Work it in till it looks like coarse cornmeal. Then we are going to add in a touch of buttermilk for the tang. Here's the secret. We are going to fold the dough several times to create the layers. Then we are going to pat these to 3/4 inch thick. Cut straight down, no twisting. That's what keeps these layers intact. Then we are going to preheat our oven to 475. Brush these with butter so they'll have lovely golden tops. And then bake these. And you know what we do when we take them out of the oven? We brush a little bit more butter on them because we're Southern. Fluffy, buttery, legendary biscuits in under 20 minutes. Save this recipe and your family will thank you. Come to copycat.com for more.